And I told him an interesting story. He kept looking. Because in 101, he failed on English 101. Yes. So we protested. The entire school, everybody protested. I went to his office and said, no, offer English ni fine. No, I'm my finance. No, never any English. So when I told him I was one of this class and everything, and you could see it. Like I tell you, where I live with Fabians. No, put it down. My wife now. Well, you know, this is a new College of Nursing Sciences that was established by this congregation, Daughters of Mary, Mother of Mercy congregation. They did it from the scratch without any support of government or anybody, and I'm impressed by what they are doing. And because of it, I decided to partner with them to start supporting them. So this is not my first. It's not my first time of coming here. It's my first time of supporting them, but it's not going to be the last. Thank you.
How do you feel? How do you feel today?
I'm very thank God for today. Ask God to bless me to be and keep him for us.
Continue to wish the best for our country, especially for these young ones, that they have a better future. We cannot continue the way we are going today. Thank you and God bless you. We arrived at the International Conference Center here. Everywhere went to God. The same man, everyone loved the man of the people. His Excellency Mr. Itobi. I always told you. The earlier you believe, the earlier you got the peace. Man loved by many people. As you can see, at the entrance of the NABS International Conference and Exhibition is at the 2025. Everywhere went to go. The hall could not stand it. The people in the hall could not stand it. It's the man people love. Nigeria needs P2B. Nigeria needs P2B. Yeah. Our incoming president. You better believe it or not. Yeah.
We are happy with you.
No peace and no peace. Nigeria needs P2B. Our next president, 2027 will be coming.
People cannot even go back to their seats. At the entrance, the moment we enter, everywhere went down.
Director of Field Operations, he won the election clean and clear. Yes. And verily, verily, I say unto us, he will win it again. In Jesus' name. Amen. Now, political.
That's okay. All right. It's okay, sir.
He's a very simple man. We are actually heading to Oba when we noticed that the road was blocked. His Excellency Mr. P.O.B. came down from car. He came down to direct traffic by himself. Who does that? A very simple man indeed. The man.
Thank you.